Alright, today is October 28th, and this is about 12 noon. Yeah, I was able to find parking on Kalakaua Avenue, right? Yeah, just right up ahead. Right, so free parking. Alright. Yeah, it's been raining and weather hasn't been so good, but it cleared up. And so, I guess not many people are coming out taking up all the parking spots. But right now, looking at the ocean, there's quite a bit of people considering. Yeah, that's the wall right there. And people actually swimming. Yeah. So, looking down, I see more people swimming. And
Wow,
hate to say it, but the water quality is bad. You know, I mean, it's been raining for a few days now and pretty heavy at times. And all these sidewalk drainages, right? Yeah. So when you're walking along sidewalks and then you see all the drainages, and then you got all those houses, drainages on the mountains, all those, right, coming down. And the way the sewer system is made is that the pipes, sewage pipes, they have a lot of holes. So they're made so that it won't overflow when too many people flushing at the same time. And so, yeah, the overages kind of zip out. And all this sewage, right? Some of the overages all over inside the ground. Yeah. When there's a rain, then those gets washed out. And the outlet pipe goes out right into the ocean right over on the shoreline. So you look at the wall, edge of the wall, right? You go look about 6 feet to 10 feet below, there's a big pipe. And that's the drainage outlets. And there's a drainage outlet about every 100 feet roughly. You know, every city is the same method, and Waikiki there's no difference. And then you see all these people in the ocean. Right now, a lot of drainages has been sipping right into the ocean. Whenever it rains, it's not good. Waikiki it rains the least, so a lot of times the water quality is pretty good, but after it rains and the sewage system over here, the drainages and the sidewalks all over the place, and even from the mountain, all been washed down into the ocean right here. Yeah. So if you check, like about every roughly about 100 feet or so, one of them real obvious is Outrigger Reef. There's a wall out there, and then you go look straight down, and then you go in the water and then look down about 6 feet below. There's a big drainage pipe, right? So whenever it rains, water gets washed out right into it, and so whatever sewage from the toilet flushing, right? I mean, this is something yuck. And so, yeah, all this water right now, a lot of these people like I would think they're gonna have skin rashes and all those, so not good, but still they're enjoying it. Yeah, I hate to be the one saying it, but that's how it is. you know I mean, every city, the beach is made the same, at least as far as the drainages. But considering like it's still cloudy, but we got a little sun coming out now, and the weather has been pretty bad, and it's been raining on and off. So, considering that, well, a lot of people are out. Okay, and yeah, so I get to do my walking exercise. All right. Yeah, weather is pretty good. Oh, but so at least that's my recommendation. When it's raining and a little after it rain, all those water they drain out from the street drains right into the ocean. Not good. And how those street drains and all over that works is, yeah, you know, the sewage pipes. Yeah, they all are made with holes so that way it doesn't plug up. Okay, if there's no hole and too many flushing at the same time, then you have a backflow, right? So yeah, just to make sure that that reverse flow, backflow does not occur, they have made enough holes so that way whenever there's too much flushing and too much sewage going down at once, some of it sits out when there's too much, and they're all over at the drainage. Yeah, along the sidewalks and all over, right underneath. So when there's too much, at times you smell it. Especially like in the Alawai. Before it used to be pretty bad. But whenever you're walking on the sidewalk and then you start smelling sewage, right? That's what it is. Sewage pipes overflow, and then a lot of sewage just overflow, and then they're there. And then when there's a rain, the water washes it up and then it goes down the drain. And then, like any other city, Waikiki, over about every 100 feet, there's a sewage pipe right on the shoreline. And then people wonder, many of the tourists, like urgent clinics over here all around Waikiki, they get a lot of people going for skin rash and all those, And then many people checking for that. Then there's an ambulance. Oh, somebody. Right, ambulance went by. Right. Then they either give you a pill, or if it's extreme, then a shot. But most of the time, pills, antibiotic. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. It's not real busy. One thing, the island has been kind of slow, right? Oh, nice drink. Pineapple. Right. Yeah. So considering that, oh, is that coffee is $3.75 and acai bowl and all those. Oh, okay, those are prices not there. Okay, so yeah. So that's what I learned. Wherever I go now on the city, right? When there's a beach, yeah, not good to swim there when there's been a rain. When it's raining, and also when there's been, like maybe not so good for a couple of days after the rain. All the sewage material that's run into the ocean, and that's what all these people are swimming in.
Want to rent scooters, Dad?
Yeah. I'd say sorry for talking nasty stuff, but I thought this is a time, it just occurred to me what's going on here. I mean, something like that, I would really think, like a for health, city and county or such, they should put out warnings, advices, but they don't. Okay, most of the people is not bad. I mean, like they're healthy, young, but it's the elderly and the weak people that it concerns because they get those, you know, bacteria infection from the sewage and all those. Yeah, for those people, it's really, it could get serious. And I'm sure there have been cases. Huh? But when I look out into the ocean, yeah, I don't see much elderly and sick people. There's one elderly out there I can notice, and then he looks healthy. So, yeah, shouldn't be a problem. Most people, it's not. It's just some skin rash, right? And sores. The body would win it out. I mean, the people that's kind of extreme and such, they just go to urgent care clinics and then get prescribed for antibiotics, pills. Take them for about a week or so, and it's all cured. So, not a big problem.
It almost appears a bit.
But, thing is, Waikiki, not much traffic. But still, there's, like so many hotels and all these tourists. Yeah. Walking around. Yeah. I mean, all these people, tourists, they pay so much money. So I'm sure soon as the weather got a little better, they come out. So in fact, it's a real nice day. A little bit of sun out, kind of weak, covered partly by clouds, and then we got good trade wind going on. You can see you can see the leaves moving. All right. Yeah, it is a bummer when you pay all that money, you come here and it rains, and then pretty much you gotta go stay indoors. Yeah. And, at this point, I really think government should be putting out safety warnings and then kind of really explain how the water condition is, especially with the sewage pipes, drainage pipes that's right into the shoreline. I mean, they put it so that way it's about 6 feet below, about every 100 feet. So, where, public cannot see it. Well, people are enjoying. Alright, we got the elderly here enjoying on the bench. Wow. In fact, it's a lot better than when there's a full sun and no rain. At least as far as the weather. It's pretty nice. Alright, wow. I made it to the Honolulu police substation in Waikiki Beach. Yeah, right here.
It was cool because when we got there, there's no one there.
Alright, so we're continuing on. Alright. I continue on right into the Kalakaua Avenue shopping area. The main Kalakaua hotels and shops all around. I can still feel the humid in the air, so I think we're probably gonna have more rain coming. Yeah, so just to have a look here, see, towards the mountain. Yeah, you see the dark clouds out there. It's pouring out there. So it's just here at Waikiki, it kind of cleared up. Yeah. Here we go. Honolulu, a surf rider. There's a person, another person. Three of them. A rocking chair. There's some cars now. Alright. Alright. So, weather's clearing up and still not as busy as normal. So, yeah, even the traffic wise. Yeah. Here's the cab waiting for customers. Alright, I'm just right across from now. Yeah. Now the international marketplace. Okay, so yeah, some people no patience. They go through the red light. Yeah, right there, international marketplace and Waikiki. Target. They just opened up. So they made a very clear sign out there. And I guess I mean, looking at the symbol, and the design is a rainbow design, so seems Target, like it may be emphasizing that they really are in support of LGBTQ. So seems making it very obvious. Okay, so Yeah, going into International Marketplace, and the Target is on the other end, so I'll walk through here. Yeah. Alright. Wow. They have placed the Target sign all over the place. There's the Target with the arrow. There's another Target with the arrow. Yeah. Well, they're really making sure people get to Target. And that there's no way you will not find Target. So, wow, they're really emphasizing it. Okay. So, follow the sign. Alright. So, follow the sign, go straight. Don't take any detour. Don't make any detour, just go straight. There's a sign again. Alright. And there it is, Target. Alright. Wow. Okay, so I've seen this vehicle here and there once in a while, but $99 starting at. Yeah, so there we go. Okay. Yeah, if you want, there's the barcode. If you want to look it up more closely, more in detail. Okay. And yep. Slingshot. Right? And just another info right here. Barcode. Right? If you want to look up more closely on it. Alright. So, say thank you for watching this part of my video, and I'll do Target on a separate. I'll stop. Thank you for watching.